Important information about raspberry vinegar, benefits and harms. Raspberry vinegar is included in several cooking recipes such as salads and sauces. And it has amazing benefits that make it a distinctive addition to the diet. And the following is the most important information about it. Raspberry vinegar benefits. Raspberry vinegar offers wonderful benefits, and they are summarized as follows. 1. Weight loss. It may help to dissolve stubborn fats accumulated in the body, as it enhances the metabolism process, which helps to lose weight naturally. This benefit can be obtained by adding 1 tablespoon of raspberry vinegar to a glass of warm water and eating it on a daily basis. Liver detoxification. Eating it contributes to ridding the body of toxins of various kinds. And this is done by adding a spoon or 2 of berry vinegar to a glass of warm water and drinking it on an empty stomach. 2. It has antioxidant properties. Eating it on a daily basis ensures you get a good share of antioxidants. And this method is a good option for those who want to reduce the appearance of skin wrinkles and acne. 3. Fighting cancer. Because this type of vinegar is made from fruit extracts, it has the ability to fight cancer causing free radical damage. And its regular consumption can help fight several types of cancer, such as stomach cancer and liver cancer. 4. Relieve sore throat. Sore throats cause constant discomfort, and this condition can be treated simply by using raspberry vinegar, which can be mixed with 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of the mixture 3 times a day. 5. Fight yeast infection. It can help fight any type of yeast infection, as the natural acids in it kill these fungi and prevent them from coming back. And this is done by cleaning the affected area with a solution of vinegar and water. How to prepare raspberry vinegar. Raspberry vinegar can be prepared easily at home if it is not available in the market, by following these steps. Ingredients. It includes 3 cups of fresh berries, 2 cups of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of sugar. How to prepare. It includes the following steps. Rinse the berries under water to get rid of dust and dirt. Then place them on a paper towel to dry completely. Put the berries in a glass bowl and set aside. Put the white vinegar and sugar in a saucepan, and put it on the fire until it boils with constant stirring until the sugar dissolves without boiling. Pour the hot mixture over the berries, and leave to cool to room temperature. Cover the bowl tightly and leave it at room temperature for 2 days. Then strain the mixture well. Pour the raspberry vinegar into a sterile, airtight bottle, and store it in the refrigerator for up to 6 months. Raspberry vinegar side effects. Despite the benefits that raspberry vinegar provides, on the other hand, it has several disadvantages as well, namely 1. Damage to the teeth. Raspberry vinegar may contain 4 to 5% acetic acid, which is the acid responsible for the distinctive taste and smell of vinegar. But it is an acid that is harmful to teeth, as it strips tooth enamel of minerals, which in turn causes weakness and brittle teeth, especially when drinking it directly without dilution. 2. Low potassium level. Although vinegar contains calcium, eating it in large quantities may lead to a low level of potassium in the body, and osteoporosis in the long run. So it is preferable to avoid consuming mulberry vinegar in large quantities without consulting a doctor in case of low potassium or osteoporosis.